Philippines from Israel! Nagulat kayo, no? Ngayon, today is November 20, 2025 and I will be joining the Night Run 2025 here in Israel! Actually, this is my second time to join like the Night Run here in Israel. The last time I joined last year, that was June 2024, and today is November 2025. So I am so happy and I'm so excited, even though my knees is hurting. That's why I only registered for 5 kilometers. That's the only distance that I can do, I think, for the meantime. Hindi na ako mag-English kasi mapapagod yung brain ko. Tatakbo pa ako mamaya, di ba? Tagalogin ko na lang. So anyway, ang call time ko is around mga alas 8 pa ng gabi. Sobrang aga ko lang dumating ngayon para makapag-prepare pa ako. Makapag-warm up! So, ayun lang. I-update ko kayo later kung anong mangyayari. At isi-share ko sa inyo kung isi-share ko, di ba? Nawala na. So, ayun lang. I don't know what happened to this video, but when I rewatch it, there is no audio. That's why there. What I'm saying in this video is that I am trying to show you guys the place or the area where we are going to run. This is located at Petah Tikva, and I love this video because the sun is about to set. Magtagalog ulit ako, no, para mabilis yung pagpapaliwanag ko. Ayun, hindi ko alam bakit walang audio tong video na to, pero itinatry kong ipakita sa inyo dito yung tatakbuhan namin ng night run sa araw na to. At sobrang maganda dyan, maaliwalas at malawak yung paligid. At may mall sa area na yan, kaya sobrang swak yung lugar para sa event na to. Kaya tara na, takbo na tayo!